define let us define volume. Volume of an object is the amount of space occupied by it. It is the volume of an object is the amount of space occupied by it. Suppose we have a tank of water tank. Take the example of water tank. The amount of water which can be stored in this tank can be said its volume. Now, suppose we have an object like this. This is called cuboidal. This is the length of the cuboid, this is breadth of the cuboid, and suppose this is the height of cuboid. Cuboid can be shown like this. Cuboid is a box, you can say it is a box which has length, breadth as well as height. So the generally volume is applicable in those objects which has length, height and volume. It is a three-dimensional structure, and the volume occupied by that three-dimensional structure is called the volume of that object. Now we take the example of a cuboid. Cuboid has a three-dimensional figure having length, breadth and height. Therefore, the volume of such type of figure or volume of the cuboid is children, when we taught you about area. What happens in area? In area it was a two-dimensional figure having only two dimensions like length and breadth. So how we calculated out the area? We were multiplying length by its breadth, that was giving you the area. Now length and breadth is already given in the cuboid, but one additional quantity, physical quantity like height is also given. So the volume of the volume is calculated by multiplying length, breadth and height. While we were multiplying length into breadth to calculate the area, and now to calculate the volume we have to multiply it by height also. This is the volume of a cuboid. Now we take another object which is called cube. What type of a cube? What type of cube object is? Cube objects have all the sides same. All three sides in the cube are same. As it happened in the case of area, we were having rectangle with different length and breadth, and square of the same side, same length and breadth. Similar happens in the case of cuboid. This is when the cuboid has all the sides same, it is called cube. Therefore, the volume of cube is given as into side, side into side. That is side cube. Its unit may be centimeter cube, meter cube, etc. etc. Of these cuboids, of this cuboid whose length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 5 centimeter, breadth is 5 centimeter and height is 8 centimeter. So children, what will be the volume of this cuboid? It is quite simple. We will apply the formula. Volume of this cuboid it will be length multiplied by breadth multiplied by its height is 200 centimeter cube. Now we take another example of a cube. Of a cube whose side is 4 centimeter and volume of this cube side into side into side, that is 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter into 4 centimeter, 64 centimeter cube is the volume of this cube. Now we take another problem. The problem states that the length breadth and height of a wooden box are 0.5 meter, 0.25 meter and 20 centimeter respectively. Find its volume. Children, in this problem, what we are having, its height of this cuboidal box is 20 centimeter, while its length and breadth are given in meter. So if two quantities, if the dimensions of this box are given in 2 units, one in centimeter, other in millimeter, then we cannot calculate the required volume. So what we need to have? We need to have this meter in centimeter. Means length, breadth also in centimeters. Therefore, length of the cube is 0.5 meter, means 50 centimeter. Breadth of the cube is 0.25 meter, means 25 centimeter. And height is already given in centimeter. Therefore, required volume of this cuboid, is its length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, 50 centimeter into 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter. 25 to ja 50, 55 ja This is the required volume of the cuboid. Children, we take further example. So by now you have learned, children, volume is almost related to the similar problems of volume are similarly related to the problems which are involved in the area also. So what is the difference? Difference is of the one more parameter is required in volume along with its length and breadth. Now we take another problem to understand more clearly a cuboidal. This problem is generally asked in the problems that come in the examination. A cuboidal box is 6 centimeter long, 3 centimeter broad, and 8 centimeter high. How many boxes can be packed in a carton of length breadth and height length 1 meter, breadth 72 meter, 72 centimeter, and height as 45 centimeter. This problem relates, children, this problem relates with the problem which you learnt in the chapter in the section in the area section, where you were fitting the tiles into the room. Means tiles were fitted in the area of the room. Similarly, in this problem we have to fit the small boxes into a big carton. To solve this problem, we have to find out the volume of the big box or carton. This is 1 meter, length having 1 meter means 100 centimeter, breadth 72 centimeter and height 45 centimeter. Children, we have to convert 1 meter here into centimeters. So I have straightforward written 100 centimeter at the place of 1 meter in this problem. This becomes 32,400 or 3,24,000 centimeter cube is its volume. Now we have to find out the volume of smaller box or cuboid. Children, see the dimensions in the problem, because dimension of the problem I have not mentioned in this continued step. So direct coming to the dimensions of the small box, it were like that: length, breadth and height. Length was 6 centimeter, breadth was 3 centimeter and height was 8 centimeter. Means the smaller box was having volume of 144 centimeter cube. Now again he is asking in the problem that how much smaller boxes or smaller cuboids or smaller cartons can be fitted into the bigger carton. Therefore, number of boxes, smaller boxes that can be fitted or placed into the bigger carton or cuboid is equal to the volume of the cuboid, volume of the carton upon volume of the smaller box. Volume of the carton was, children, it was 3,24,000 centimeter cube, and the volume of the smaller carton was 144 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube are omitted, and the number of carton that comes out to be 2,250 boxes. Thus, the number of cuboidal smaller boxes that can be fitted in the bigger carton is equal to 2250 boxes. So children, by now you have understood all the three parameters like perimeter, area and volume that is taught in this chapter number 7 of your course. And now for further for further informations or further study, you can go through your books. Thanks for watching this video, children, and keep subscribing our channel. Thanks.